saw this hairstyle in a video of Lena. I don't know how to pronounce her last name, but she has beautiful hairstyle videos. I'll link it down below. Make sure you check her out. She has very intricate things, but also simple things for every day. So she's a very good inspiration. This is a braid with 7 tails, and it's very difficult to braid on yourself with more than 4 or 5 strands, I think, because your arms get too short. So I found this a very clever idea of making a braid with many tails. So let's start with the tutorial. Divide your hair into 7 tails with tiny elastics. Make sure the tails are apart from each other. Then take the middle one and cross over the outermost left one, cross it over the middle one, and do it a bit loose. Don't pull it too tight on, and lay it a bit flat over the middle one. Then take the most outer right one and cross that over the middle one, and also not too tight, very loosely, and pull a bit if it's too tight. Take again the most outer left one and cross over the middle. So don't add when you're doing a French braid or a Dutch braid, just cross over the middle tail. Take the most outer right one and cross over the middle tail. Again, don't pull it too tight, try to do it as loosely as you can, and try to flatten the tails a bit over each other. Again, take the most outer left one and cross over the middle one. Most outer right one and cross over the middle one. Once in a while you can tuck it a bit looser if you think it's getting too tight. Just tuck on the sides. Don't tuck too hard because you don't have a really strong tail, because it's not a braid, it's more a crossover. Again, the left one over the middle and the right one over the middle. Make sure the tails are really good apart. You see my hair gets tangled, so make sure they are loosened, because otherwise your braid won't come together. Go as long as you can, because you can just continue, because all the tails will be there for you to pick up. So go as fast as you can with your arms. You will see that on the point your arms will get too short and you can't get another tail over it. So I think this will be my last one to cross over. Gonna do the last tail, you pull over back to the other side, so you pull it around, so that with that tail you can hide the elastic you're gonna put on now. Take a really strong elastic, a thick elastic, because it has to hold together all the tails. So make sure it's really tight. Pull it a bit up, and then you can pull the strand that you just turned around. It falls over the elastic so that it will be invisible. Tuck on the sides to make it a bit wider as much as you can, but be careful not to tuck too much. You will see the white strand, my ear is coming through, so when you have tucked too much, pull it back in. Maybe put a bobby pin or something in when it's too much. And this is the end result. Very nice white braid. Easy to do, but a very nice result. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it, and see you next week. Bye!